Good day, Sundowner supporters. We're taking a walk through the interior now, right at the finish of the deck beam varnishing. The grains glowing, the joints are seamless, and you can start to get a glimpse of her future form. It's hard not to marvel at the quality of this workmanship. So many years of experience coming together to bring this aging vessel back to life. As each beam flicks past, you can appreciate the 12 layers of varnish enriching the grain like aged whiskey, shimmering in a crystal glass. We push forward to her bow with more of the same quality work. And look at those rivets. Each one hand-set by two very skilled carpenters. See how the older hull planks have been restored and the new additions joined together to restore her hull to its former glory. Still in the early stages of her restoration, but she can start to imagine a new life on the open seas in the not too distant future. Until next time.